The Mamma Mia actor was all smiles with wife Keely Smith as they left Lucky's Steakhouse in Malibu. The couple dined with their eldest son, Dylan, and his girlfriend. Pierce Brosnan, 68, was spotted out to dinner in Malibu, California on Wednesday night, February 9th. The actor left Lucky's Steakhouse holding hands with his wife Keely Smith, 58, while their son Dylan, 25, and his girlfriend Avery Wheless followed them. Pierce had a giant smile on his face following the double date night. He looked so handsome in a navy button-up shirt and gray dress pants. Keely, who has been married to the former James Bond since 2001, dressed up in a colorful patterned dress and red heels. The couple looked so in love as they beamed with happiness and held hands as they headed home. Dylan, meanwhile, followed his parents out the fancy restaurant in a beige jacket, a white button-up shirt, and gray jeans. He similarly held hands with his girlfriend, who wore a stylish brown jacket and denim jeans for the night out. Related gallery. Chrissy Teigen and John Legend and more stars on date night, pics. This is Pierce and Keely's second date night in the last week. The lovebirds were spotted at Giorgio Baldi restaurant in Santa Monica, California on Saturday, February 5th. After the romantic dinner, the couple kindly greeted onlookers and photographers outside the restaurant, and Pierce once again flashed his signature big smile for the cameras. The Mamma Mia actor and his wife are one of Hollywood's most beloved couples. They share two sons, Dylan and Paris, 20. The couple celebrated their 20th wedding anniversary last year, and Pierce marked the occasion with a sweet social media tribute to his wife. "Happy anniversary, my darling Keely, my love forever grows with you, Shamrock, heart," he wrote on Instagram.